This Chevrolet Colorado delivers a diesel i4 2.8 L engine powering this automatic transmission. ZR2 preferred equipment group includes standard equipment, transmission, 6-speed automatic, HMD, 6L50, rear axle, 3.42 ratio. This Chevrolet Colorado features the following options: LPO, all-weather floor mats, dealer installed, jet black, leather appointed Seat trim, GVWR, 6,200 pounds, 2,812 kg, engine, 2.8 L DURAMAX turbo-diesel, DI, 4-cylinder, 181 horsepower. 135.0 kilowatts, at 3,400 revolutions per minute, 369 pounds-to-foot of torque, 500 Nm, at 2,000 revolutions per minute, includes K40, exhaust brake, engine block heater, crush, audio system, Chevrolet Infotainment 3 Premium system with connected navigation, 8 diagonal HD color touchscreen, AM/FM stereo, Bluetooth audio streaming for 2 active devices, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto capable, enhanced voice recognition, additional memory for in-vehicle apps, cloud-connected personalization for select infotainment and vehicle settings. Subscription required for enhanced and connected services after trial period, audio system feature, BOSE Premium 7-speaker system, wireless charging for compatible cell phones, Windows, power with driver express up and down. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, British Columbia V9T3L3 to claim your Chevrolet Colorado.